Okay, everyone, so let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start by cutting our mangoes. I'm going to start with the little mango. Now, this one's going to be more of a topping, so I'm going to go ahead and start slicing these and start cutting these in little squares. And this is the easiest way that I can find to cut my mango. If you guys have a better suggestion, leave it down below. I would love to know if there's an easier way. Mangoes are so delicious, but they're so annoying to cut. Okay, so next we're going to go ahead and cut the bigger mangoes. Now these look green from the outside, but they're super sweet from the inside. So we're just going to slice all 3 mangoes and so we can start making our mangonadas. So now that we've cut our mangoes, we're ready to start making our mangonadas. So here I have 2 lemons that I cut in half. I have the diced mangoes, some tamarindo, and then here is the mango lucas. This is a secret ingredient or a main ingredient along with tajin and chamoy. Here's our mango ice, and I have 2 cups of water here. We're going to see how much we're actually going to need. So let's get started. Okay, so let's start by adding 4 cups of ice. Now this is going to vary depending on how many cups of mangonadas you're going to make. So here I have 4 cups in total of ice. Okay, so once the ice is added, I'm going to start with 1 cup of water. I will be adding more towards the end when I'm blending everything, but for now we're going to do 1 cup of water. Okay, so next we're going to go ahead and add the 3 mangoes. These are the ones that it doesn't matter if they're sliced, diced, or however shaped. These are just to be smaller pieces so it could be blended easily. Okay, it's time to add some sugar. So this is a tablespoon of sugar. So I'm going to add 2. Now this is depending on how sweet you like things. You can add 1 more or another one. It just all depends. So I added 2. Next ingredient I'm going to add is going to be the lemons, so the limes, lemons, however you call them. So I'm going to squeeze all 4 of these into the blender. It's going to give it a really nice taste because it's going to give it a sweet and sour taste. So super, super yummy. And now for the ingredient that I love. This is such an important ingredient. This is the mango lucas. This is just a candy, but it's a sugary, sour candy that you put on top of your mangonada. I added a little bit in the blender along with some tajin just to give it that really nice blend with the mango and the ice, so everything to be incorporated together. Okay, so now I blended my ingredients all together. Now I did stop it so I can move around the ice and the mangoes, and then I also added another ½ cup of water so my blender can easily blend all the ingredients together. This is the consistency I like my mangonada to be. If you want it less, I guess blended, you can add more ice or just chop it. It's all depending on your taste. So this is actually going to make about 4 cups of mangonadas. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and prepare our cup with chamoy. So we're just going to add the chamoy throughout the cup and then just turn your cup so it can get all over. You can add as much or as little as you want. It is all depending on your liking. And here's how my cup looks with all the chamoy. Then next we're going to add the tajin. So this is the actual powder. So you're going to do the same thing. You add it to the sides and just turn your cup and add as much or as little as you want. I'm also going to add a little bit more of mango lucas. Well, a lot of it. I love this. It's my favorite because it's a sweet. So it all mixes all together and it just is going to be delicious. Can't wait. Okay, moment of truth. Let's go ahead and pour our ingredients into the cup, and you guys are just going to see how everything just starts looking incorporated and just delicious. Now for the toppings. So with the smallest mango, I actually put that one to the side and cut into small pieces. I'm going to put some of that mango pieces inside my cup. I'm also going to be adding these. This is a tamarindo. This is just a tamarind that you buy. It's like a candy with a spice to it, spice, sweet and sour spice. It's really good. I topped it off with that, and then of course I just cut a long piece of it and put it right on the side. All this is going to just come together and be delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.